Come here, Ray.
Rain. No. We got.
She smelled good from that bath yesterday.
Yeah, Mom. Here.
Mhm. Y'all see that tail wagging? That's because she's upset. But honey, you are no longer an outdoor cat. You have to get your nails clipped. She can be upset all she wants to be. She don't have attitude with me? With her mama? She got attitude with me? Stop moving the tail, because I know you're aggravated, but that's not okay. You do not get an attitude with me. I'm just trying to do what's best for you. If she lets me, I'm gonna try to put these little nail caps a little bit. Y'all see, she real upset right now. Like, girl. If y'all are cutting your own cat's nails, make sure you do not cut where the red starts. And when I say extremely long, y'all, I mean extremely long. Y'all want to see how long? Look how long.
Wow.
Extremely long. You look like owl. You look like an owl.
No.
You want to be an owl?
Yeah. Ow. Ow.
Like, girl.
No.
And the main reason I do this is because I don't want her scratching my babies. It's the main reason I do it. I don't know if she's blind or what, but she will not eat the treats out of my hand. Like, I have to put them down.
Mom. Me.
These are so pretty.
The baby.
This is like cat nail glue.
Miku.
Just cut off the tip.
One. This.
She's been trying to run outside all day, but no, I gave her a great bath yesterday. Go watch that short. And she is an indoor cat again. She's just gonna have to get used to all the attention from my babies again.
Say it's okay. Say I like being indoors again.
Bye, y'all.